Okay. Dip, 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 dip. I shouldn't be the one to talk about cleaning though. My room's kind of gross. Oh yeah! I bought a little mini vacuum like last night or like a couple days ago. I'm gonna try it out. But like it makes like I don't know, you know how vacuums are loud and stuff? I was gonna do a test run, but I didn't want my parents to be sus of me 'cause like it like sounds like, you know, something else, and I didn't want them to like feel, you know, like it was something else. I didn't tell them that I bought it, so. But hopefully they'll understand. It's an actual vacuum. Oh, sussy vacuum.